That's 96% ethanol.
Join me as I craft my own gin at the Napier Distillery, New Zealand. Step back in time and experience Napier a little bit different to discover a piece of history through the lens of gin distillery. And thank your friend who loves gin.
This is the main room, and this is kind of where I believe, well, it all starts out here. So back in the early 1900s, this was the National Tobacco Company of New Zealand. Back in 1920 something, he was paying £3.5 million in tax.
Jesus!
When you visit the gin distillery in Napier, you'll be taken on a guided tour through the entire gin making process, and you'll start by exploring the traditional copper stills where the gin is distilled, and learning how local botanicals like kawa and manuka are used to create unique flavors. And the staff will walk you through each step from selecting the ingredients to the final bottling on the gin. Along the way, you'll go to taste different samples so you can experience the distinct flavors of their gins. The best part, you'll even get to blend your own gin, choosing from a variety of botanicals to create something personal to take home.
To be honest, you like humour. Very, very dark.
I must say that this is totally different than what I tried in the glass. And I like it more, to be honest. So our first gin. Yeah, actually. I never made the gin before. I didn't even make it now. I just mixed. Finally! Actually, it's totally different than what is in the glass.
What's what? What did you just say to me? It's completely different than what's in the glass.
Yes, I added a little bit more, but still it's different.
I think my label deserves a good going over as well. An honourable mention.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, that's really nice.
Most polished.
What is that one?
Just read my label.
So Tangerilla 6 mils, coffee 3, Dunka 5, and coriander 4.
Good.
Yeah, I like it.
I'm going to add some
Creative,
other stuff
creative.
to it as well. So.
The tour is not so expensive and includes the full distillery experience and your custom gin bottle to keep. By blending local ingredients and old world techniques, they're not just making gin, they're bottling a piece of Napier's rich past. Let's finish by chatting about the amazing journey we had. And if you enjoyed this distillery adventure, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exciting exploration in the world of craft beverages.